Ever wondered exactly which direction that mountain range lies or how to chart the precise bearing of your next adventure? Let's unlock Google Earth's hidden potential to calculate azimuth, also known as compass bearing, in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Earth Pro on your computer. This is the desktop version, so make sure you download it. It's free. Now, locate your starting point and drop a place mark. Click the place mark icon in the toolbar, position it on your desired location, and give it a name. We'll call ours, or repeat this process for your destination, naming it B. These marks are your reference points. Next, we need the ruler tool. Look for the ruler icon in the toolbar. It looks like a small ruler, and click it to activate. This tool allows us to measure distances and, more importantly, angles. With the ruler tool active, click on place marker. Then click on place mark B. Ensure you are using the line measurement type in the ruler window that pops up. This draws a line connecting your 2 points, and the measurement window will display various metrics. Within that measurement window, you'll find the magic number heading. This is your azimuth, displayed in degrees. This represents the compass bearing from point A to point B, giving you the precise direction to travel. And that's it. You've successfully calculated the azimuth between 2 points in Google Earth. Now you can confidently plan routes, analyze geographic orientations, and add a new dimension to your mapping projects. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Earth tips and tricks.